Lemon squeezers are great for getting lots of juice out of a lemon without much effort. There are holes in the bottom, a pressed-in top, and a hinge to hold both pieces together, forming a lever to squeeze juice. One thing people often get wrong is the direction of the lemon or lime. Resist the urge to place the round bottom of the fruit into the round bottom of the squeezer. The opposite is correct. The flat, exposed bottom should face downward, with holes below. Pop the lime in, give it a squeeze, and out comes the juice.
Hi, I'm Carla, and I'm here to show you how to use the Lekue Citrus Sprayer. The Lekue Citrus Sprayer is an innovative kitchen tool that allows you to extract juice from all sorts of citrus. It comes in a set of 2 with a standing tray. The large one is for larger citruses such as lemons, grapefruits, and oranges, and the smaller one is for limes, clementines, and smaller citruses. So I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do is give your citrus a nice roll. This will break up the fibers and make it extra juicy. The next step is to cut off just the tip. Take your larger of the 2 citrus sprayers and twist it down into the citrus. And do the same thing with the smaller citrus, the lime. Give it a roll. Cut off a little bit of the top and screw the citrus sprayer into the lime. So now that you know how to use the citrus sprayer, it comes apart in 3 pieces for easy cleaning, and it's also dishwasher safe. The silicone seal prevents it from drying out, whether it's standing in your refrigerator or on your countertop. Now you have citrus for all sorts of things like salads, seafood, chicken, or beverages. Thanks for watching! Make sure to like us on Facebook at Lekue USA, follow us on Instagram at Equip My Kitchen, and for more information, go to LekueUSA.com.
FastCut herb tool from ZYLISS makes light work of chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, the FastCut herb tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish or for adding herbs to sauces or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the FastCut herb tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the FastCut herb tool, another great innovation from ZYLISS.